Hello, this question has been going around driving everybody nuts. So let's take a closer look at this question, which tank will fill first. Well, really, there's actually two answers to this question. Answer 1. Draw a straight line across the tops of 4, 3 and the bottom of 2, and that's where the water level will have to be to fill any of the tanks to the top. Laws of fluid dynamics and gravity. 3 and 4 will be filled at the same time. Liquids are very heavy. They flow anywhere and around anything, and the top of them always remains level. Just look at the walls of the tank and the tube between 3 and 4 like islands. The red line represents where the water level will be, because the water is going to drain into 3, and it's going to simultaneously rise up this, and 3 is just going to drain into 4 until they are all equally the same height, like that. Answer number 2. Now, if I was a college professor and I felt like being an asshole to my students, I would have made this into a trick question, because in the question, they never actually mention how full is full. Really, if it's to the point where 1 starts to drain, then the answer is tank 1. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed hearing my perspective of this question. The Latrobe Steel employment test was loaded full of questions like this. One of the questions had 6 gauges on the screen, and they were all turning at different rates, and the idea was to keep them from going into the red. And each one had 2 buttons that would either turn the gauges forward or backward to keep them out of the red. There was red on both sides of the gauges, and you pretty much had to keep the needle in the middle.